The MacBook Pro M5, anticipated for release in late 2025, is poised to deliver substantial enhancements in performance, connectivity, and user experience. While maintaining the familiar design of its predecessors, this iteration introduces several notable upgrades that cater to professionals and tech enthusiasts alike. Performance: the M5 chip. At the core of the MacBook Pro M5 lies Apple's next-generation M5 chip, built using TSMC's advanced 3nm N3P process. This architecture promises a performance uplift of approximately 15 to 25% over the M4, delivering faster processing speeds and improved energy efficiency. Key enhancements: AI processing. The Neural Processing Unit, NPU, has been significantly upgraded, allowing faster execution of machine learning tasks and AI-powered applications. Graphics performance. Creative professionals will appreciate the improved graphics capabilities, ideal for demanding tasks like 3D rendering and video editing. Energy efficiency. Thanks to the 3nm architecture, the M5 chipset consumes less power, resulting in extended battery life. Display. Visual excellence. The MacBook Pro M5 retains the Liquid Retina XDR display with mini LED technology, offering vibrant colors and deep blacks. While rumors suggest a transition to OLED displays in future models, the current iteration focuses on refining the existing display technology. Design: familiar yet refined. Apple maintains the sleek and robust design introduced in 2021, featuring an aluminum chassis and black keyboard. While the overall aesthetics remain consistent, subtle refinements may include new color options, offering users more ways to personalize their devices. Connectivity: enhanced interfaces. The MacBook Pro M5 is expected to feature Thunderbolt 5 ports, providing up to 80 gigabits per second bidirectional data transfer speeds, enhancing workflows for content creators and developers. Additionally, the inclusion of Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.3 ensures faster and more reliable wireless connections. Security: advanced protection. Building on Apple's commitment to user security, the MacBook Pro M5 incorporates Touch ID and the Apple T2 security chip, ensuring secure authentication and data protection. Battery life: extended usage. Thanks to the efficiency gains from the M5 chipset, users can expect up to 21 hours of battery life, allowing for extended usage without the need for frequent recharging. Storage and memory. Ample configurations. The MacBook Pro M5 offers a range of storage options from 512 GB to 2 TB SSD, catering to various user needs. Memory configurations start at 16 GB, with options up to 32 GB unified memory, ensuring smooth performance for memory-intensive applications. Release timeline and pricing. Apple plans to launch the MacBook Pro M5 models in fall 2025, aligning with its typical annual upgrade cycle. Pricing is expected to remain consistent with current models, starting around $1,599 for the base 14-inch variant. Conclusion: the MacBook Pro M5 represents a strategic evolution in Apple's laptop offerings, focusing on performance enhancements while maintaining a familiar design. With its advanced M5 chip, improved connectivity, and extended battery life, it caters to professionals seeking a powerful and reliable computing solution. Like, share, subscribe.